Welcome to Gamma's World. Hi guys, today I wanted to show you the Cajun lobster mac and cheese. I didn't video how I made the mac and cheese because I just wanted to tell you the best part of this dish was that my son Bobby Ray, who passed away in August 2021, bought this cast iron pan for me. It was funny because the year that I turned 51 in 2021, I was talking to him and telling him that I was going to be 51 and I've never had a cast iron skillet. And so he surprised me that Mother's Day of 2021 with this cast iron skillet. So I said that I wanted to make it a tradition, and every year I'll pick some type of dish to make in this cast iron skillet so that I can take it to the family gatherings that we have on Thanksgiving and we can eat from the dish that my son actually gave me. Thanks, guys, for listening.